Hello everyone, I'm Pierre Vanderhaeghen, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we do in our lab. We are interested basically in the mechanisms of development of the human brain and how it relates to brain evolution. So we try to understand basically what explains that our brain is so uniquely expanded and complex. So this is my office. I guess there's not much interesting here to see except this legendary whiteboard where you see a lot of ideas but that are extremely fuzzy, and I guess that's how research starts, but then they get more and more focused as we go close to experiments, and that's where I'll take you now. So here I'm bringing you to the wet lab, and you can see here that we do a lot of different things, but that are mostly have to do with molecular biology. We try to manipulate genes, express them in different ways, in different parts. And on the other hand, we do a lot of histology, meaning trying to see how the brain then responds to these changes in genetic manipulation. So you see we have a lot of incubators here, some of which actually contain some of these precious cells. I think you can see there are a bunch of them. So here is another central part of the lab, that is where microscopes, or at least some of them actually, can be found. A big activity indeed of what we do is then to actually look at brain slices in great detail using fancy imaging technology so that we can actually see with the exquisite detail what are the consequences of genetic manipulation of the brain that may explain in the end the links between the brain development and its evolution. So that was all for today. A very quick tour, but if you're interested, don't hesitate to come back to us with questions, suggestions, and so on. So long.